In the last lesson, we learned about how to achieve the wrist stroke. Now we're going to play some exercises. The first exercise, as you can see, is we're going to alternate on the same string, starting from string number 1, okay, and we're going to play I and M on the same string. So pick up the guitar and sit properly, and let's start. The second string. Notice that I'm not moving my right hand, I'm only moving my fingers. Okay, the third string. I, M, I, M, I, M. Now, sometimes this happens. You see that sound? That when you play with the I, the M touches the string. That means your fingers are the middle finger is too close to the string. So you can do this. Okay. The other thing that we didn't talk about is the right hand nails. As you can see, I have nails. So it's recommended that you grow some nails only on the right hand, not the left hand. The left hand nails, mine are too short. Just put them in focus. Okay, so compared to them, the left hand is too short. The nails are too short, but my right hand is a little bit longer. How long? This is a personal preferences. Just long enough to be outside the fingernail, the finger tip. Okay, so why nails are important? To make the sound louder and the tone is clear. If you play with your flesh, this is with my flesh, this is with the nail. So there's a big difference between the two. Okay, the next exercise, we're going to practice moving from string to string, starting with the first string, going to the second, third, and then the second, and finally ending on the first string. Okay, 3, 4,